to make a rose. It's really challenging element, so pay attention. So I already curl my hair and I already put the sponge. It's not just to make a form, it's just to have a base where we can fix all our elements, all our roses, okay? So now I'm taking this quantity of hair, which is not too much, it's not too less, it's not too thin, yeah? So, and I take all this hair and I start back combing like that. As you can see, I move very gently and not too much. It's not too deep, okay? And we're back combing very good inside, only inside. And after that, as you can see, my hair is a little bit back combing inside. And after that, I'm hairspraying. And on the top, I'm cleaning. On the top, I'm cleaning and making smooth. We need to take all this hair and wrap it like so, okay? As you can see, I have beautiful shape, and after that, next step is I'm gonna pin it on the roots, only on the roots. At least it should be 3 pins. It holds itself very good, and I wanna put clip to maintain this liners, to support this liners, and because I wanna make more extra beautiful lines. So we're combing very gently ends of this hair, and then we are holding very tight to the roots, and then we're opening and making extra lines, like so. You need to put extra clips, like so. Again, I take all these ends and I brush it very gently, okay? Because you have already formed that you put it. So I don't have too much hair in this one, I can easily fix with the just pin. Constantly spraying little by little, because we don't have to make wet texture, okay? We're gonna put all this hair to the front and hairspray a little bit like so, and we are back combing like this. Then we'll have this beautiful volume like so. We're back combing a little bit, not too much, hairspraying all sides. And then we're taking this 1-inch curling iron. You have to hold your hand very close to the head, okay? At the first, but literally I'm putting my head, and then I'm pulling it, and then I'm pulling it very gently up. So we don't need to show the skin of head. And with the pins, I'm giving extra direction, okay? Hairspraying both sides. And as you can see, look how close I'm holding my hand. It's very close to the place that I'm working. Is also very important. So I'm putting these pins to fix it temporarily, right? And then I'm gonna take it out.